This week I have perhaps one of the most pretty Alfa Romeos I've ever had the pleasure of working on. It's an Alfa GTV6 and I'm going to be taking it through front end paint protection film, machine polish to the rest of the bodywork and a ceramic coating application over the whole thing to finish it off nicely. So let's get started. So now that the polishing is done on the car, I'm going to move on to the paint protection film. So I'm going to take you step by step through the process of fitting a bonnet to this car. After you've given it an initial squeegee, you then respray with your slip solution. This is just hot water and a product called Film On by Suntech. But you can also use Johnson's baby shampoo if you're from the UK. Or if you're from any other countries, genuinely most baby shampoos will work. So now the panel is ready. You want to of course wet your hands, make sure there's no dust on them. And I'm going to be peeling the backing paper off of the PPF and then we're going to walk from it straight onto the car, as you shall see. So now that's all peeled off, we make sure the sticky side of the film faces away from us and we're going to walk backwards. This is to obviously avoid picking up any contaminants that are in the air. Oh, there's a bottle there, onto the sticky side of the film. Now the nice thing about this panel is of course it's a bulk fit. I'm not fitting a pattern. So it's just a case of squeegeeing it flat down onto the surface and then afterwards we can go around and hand cut the edges ourselves. As you can also see, I've stripped the washers out and this centre bit of trim out so I can wrap every edge possible. So you're not even going to know the film is there. I'm going to start by squeegeeing this centre bit down and then I'm going to work out both sides. Now for this section along here where you can see the contour comes down in the bonnet, I am just spraying a little bit of diluted alcohol. Now what this will do is slightly soften the glue in the PPF. As a result, it causes it to stick a lot better. So now, in theory, now I've sprayed the alcohol, my initial squeegee, hold it for a few seconds, should stick down. So now this section's down, I'm going to very gently lift and re-wet the rest of the film. Just like so. Obviously lifting the film up as minimally as possible to avoid anything getting under there. Of course, a little spray on the top as well.